After years of rising rates, falling limits, and new fees, consumers have good reason to question the value of their credit cards. Now that new protective legislation has been in place for a year, it may be time for you to reassess your plastic. With more on what to look for, Kelli Grant joins us this morning, senior consumer reporter for SmartMoney.com. Kelli, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Transfer offers improving again, maybe time for a second look.
If you have a balance, that's certainly something that's worth looking at is trying to transfer that to a new card. We are seeing those offers start to improve again. These days, anything that is really considered a good offer would be at least 18 months at 0% and fees of no more than 3% to transfer that. But we have actually seen several different cards that offer as much as 24 months. So if you really shop around, you might be able to find a better deal.
And you say ignore all the rewards, focus on the lowest interest rate possible.
If you've ever carried a balance or you plan to carry a balance, certainly you want to be looking for the lowest interest rate. Really, those rewards that you're earning are not as valuable, and one interest payment is going to wipe out pretty much anything you've earned. Usually we've seen now rates are rising to an average 17%, up from about 13% even 2 years ago. But you can still find rates that are a little less than 10% if you're looking for basically smaller banks. We saw the Simmons Visa Platinum card offers about 7.25%.
Got to really be careful when it comes to getting a card for someone under the age of 21. Why?
Very careful right now. Part of the Card Act protections limited the availability of credit to people who are younger than age 21. You either have to have a cosigner or have proof of your own income. We are actually seeing that some cards are considering student loans as income, which is something to be very cautious about because if you are applying for that as a student, that's going to end up inflating the credit line that you're allowed to get, and that's going to lead you into more debt. We've also seen credit issuers tightening some of their availability. If you're a student who's applying for a non-student card, chances are good you're going to be either rejected or you're going to end up with a very high interest rate.
All of these protections apply to consumer cards, no guarantee for business cards.
No guarantee for the business cards, and that's one of the big loopholes if you're an entrepreneur or anyone else who's being pitched a business card. A lot of the issuers have voluntarily adopted some of the same protections, but it's not a guarantee. Right. So if you are a business owner, you have a business card, and you're thinking you might ever carry a balance, certainly it's something you want to look at putting all of those purchases on a personal card instead.
And now all of these rewards offered, these aren't all bad on these cards. When can it actually work out in your favor?
We are seeing some really great rewards that are popping up, especially just new sign-up bonuses. Easily enough 100, 150 plus just for signing up for that credit card and using it in the first couple of months. If you are the sort of person who's paying off your balance in full every month, worth it to take a look around and see what's out there. Oftentimes, in addition to those sign-up bonuses, you can easily get more than 1% cash back with a lot of the different bonus offers. A site like BillShrink.com is a pretty good resource for figuring out which is going to be the best card based on where you tend to spend your money.
All right. We always appreciate it. Kelli Grant from SmartMoney.com. Kelli, thank you so much.
Thank you.